Previously on the Unseen Files. What if the creatures from ancient legends weren't just myths but escaped government experiments? Part 3. Skinwalkers, Secret DNA Experiments. Native American legends describe skinwalkers beings who can shapeshift into animals. But what if the real story involves classified DNA research? Some whistleblowers claim that underground labs experimented with human-animal hybrid genes, trying to unlock supernatural abilities. But when these test subjects became uncontrollable, they vanished. Could they still be lurking in the shadows, hiding from the people who created them? Are these creatures just legends or something much more real? If the truth is being covered up, what else are they hiding from us? Is the truth being hidden? Or are we just not ready to know?